7 tips to help you grow your Facebook group. Facebook groups provide a perfect direct line of communication with your most dedicated fans and followers. This has endless marketing potential for businesses, and it's something everyone should invest time into. But while a Facebook group is always useful, it's obviously going to be more useful if you have more members. In this presentation, we'll see 7 ways you can get more people to your group. 1. Link to your page. If you have a Facebook page, then make sure to link it to your new group via the Settings menu. When you link a group to a page, the group will appear at the top of the page, which will make it easier for people to join up. 2. Change the settings. Change the settings for your group to ensure that people can find it and join. You might want to turn off the requirement for new members to be approved, for instance, and ensure that your members are able to invite other new members. 3. Run contests. Running contests to get new members is a great strategy that also increases engagement with your existing followers. Just tell your members that the person who brings in the most new members will win a free ebook, consultation, product, or similar. 4. Create moderators. Moderators are members given some administrator powers over your group. They'll be able to invite new users, remove offending ones, and approve requests. More moderators means that you can keep your settings more stringent without increasing your workload as the group grows. 5. Make it secret. Earlier, I said that you should make sure people can find your group in order to grow it. While this can work well, there is also some merit in making your group secret. Why? Because when a group is secret, your followers will need to join in order to see what has been posted. Sheer curiosity will attract a lot of new people. 6. Promote it from other platforms. Your job is to make sure you are constantly mentioning your Facebook group. Don't place a link randomly on your website and leave it at that. Drop it conveniently into any post, and you can make sure to keep it on the minds of your readers. 7. Use the right language. Finally, when you mention your group, talk about it in ways that make it sound appealing. Words like exclusive, VIP, and private all have a way of making people eager to learn what the buzz is all about.